Hello everyone, let me show you how to activate performance mode in Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So to increase the performance of your hardware, go to settings, scroll down to battery and device care menu, go to this menu, scroll down a little bit more, and you need to find this section which name is performance and enable enhanced processing. It affects all applications except games, and to boost your games you need another application. Let me show you. You need advanced features and make sure that the game launcher is enabled, and then go back to your home screen or to your applications menu and choose Gaming Hub. From here, if you launch applications from here, you can set up the performance from this menu. Tap on three dots and choose Game Booster. But this is the topic for another video. Subscribe our channel and thanks for watching.